Hello. It's ready. £333.0.
What's up, Louie Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we down 11 pounds. Like, we started off Monday, January the, what was it, 6th? Yeah, Monday, January the 6th. It was 3:45. Today is Sunday, January the 12th. We're at 333 pounds officially. So yeah, like that's the motivation I need to keep going, man, because lost 11 pounds in a week. Just imagine, I can literally probably, if I do it the right way, I can lose 33 pounds before the middle of February. And if I lose 33 pounds before the middle of February, then I will be at 300 pounds. And you know, the goal is to be at least 250 by my birthday. So it's like fully accomplishable. Is that a word? Accomplishmentable? It's fully accomplishmentable or whatever that I can possibly do it. But I'm just like, man, that's motivation, man, to just keep fasting and keep going, like seeing numbers like that. So yeah, so what we about to do right now is we're about to head out and go pick up our first load. I gotta go. I'm going from St. Louis, deadheading like 100 miles up to Fort Madison, Iowa. And I'm going to pick up a load at Fort Madison, Iowa. We're going to take that down to Laredo, then pick up something back in Laredo, bring it right back up to the crib, and then do that for the next couple days. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get back to the truck and get our roll on. Rolly gang. We just made it back to the truck. Look at this right here. I want y'all to see this right quick. I had too much stuff to show y'all when I was coming to the truck, but I came back to the truck to some snow. It snowed. This is my first taste of snow this year, really. Even when I was in Utah, I didn't have no snow. So right now, we about to go pick up our first load in, where is this? It's gonna be picking up in Fort Madison, Iowa. Hold on, I'm sorry, y'all. Fort Madison, Iowa. It's like 100 and something miles away from where we are currently right now. My windows are unthawing, thank God. And we about to just let our windows unthaw and then roll out, man. So tune in to another edition of Rolling with TB. You heard me? I read a lot of not so great reviews about this place, so we about to go in here and see if everything is true. I hope not, man, because I don't want to be here all day, and they said you can't have your cell phone once you get on a facility, all kind of stuff. So we're about to see. See y'all when we get to the guard shack.
Okay. You do have to leave your cell phone here. You do have to leave your cell phone here.
We got a super light hazmat load. Like I was saying, they got a bunch of rules. It ain't really bad though. You know, you just can't have your cell phone. You can't be on none of their docks. You gotta sit. You gotta sit in a little waiting area they got in there for you. You know, he loaded me. Literally probably took him like 10 minutes to get me loaded. So there wasn't no issue at all. So I guess, guys, about to head out now, put these placards on, and I'll see y'all when we go. Take our 30-minute break. We probably gonna stop at Oklahoma for the night because I'm not gonna be able to make it all the way to Texas with the hours that I got. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip end. Rolly gang. Alright, y'all, I'm about to stop and get some fuel right quick. I'm feeling so lazy today, man. I'm not gonna lie. The sun is out, the weather's beautiful. I should be getting off at, let me see how many hours I got left. I got like 2 hours and 21 minutes left to drive for the day. So I'm probably only gonna make it to like Big Cabin or something like that, but I'm literally feeling lazy today. I need to work out, do some cardio, not get what's the word? Not get too drunk off just losing 11 pounds. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the end goal is to go from right now I guess it was 333 down to 250 by my birthday. That's the goal. So I can't get too comfortable just seeing little signs of progress. I just gotta go, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling so lazy right now. So lazy. So we about to get this fuel and head over to Big Cabin, and then I just gotta find some energy to push myself to do something. If I don't work out, just at least get some cardio done. I gotta do something. I just can't be sitting here and sitting around doing nothing. So we about to get this montage going, get some fuel, and keep it trucking. Rolly gang! Alright guys, we're officially done for the day. So like I said, I'm not gonna, like I told you, I was a bit lazy today. I want to do some cardio right now. We parked at this little spot. I literally only got 2 minutes left on my clock. We done for the day. We drove 11 hours, well, we drove 10 hours and 57 minutes, 11 hours 35 minutes on duty time. So right now we are at this little we're not at a truck stop. Like I told y'all, I'm doing this fast. I try not to go to truck stops and park at truck stops unless I'm parking for the night. I don't walk in, or I'm just parking, I'm just getting some fuel. So I try to stay at rest areas as much as I can, but like I said, we don't really got that much time on the clock, but so I can't really make it nowhere at all right now. So what we about to do, hold on, y'all, I'm trying to
A few moments later.
We about to just do something, and that's jump rope. Jump roping, man, it tires me out quick. So I'm about to get this jump rope on, then I'm about to go ahead and walk around my truck, probably about 100 times, just to walk around there. I could get a mile in just walking around my truck, round and round, but ain't no point in me videotaping it, and I don't want to keep my lights on because at the end of the day, drain your battery. So we about to get us some jump rope in. I just want to say thank y'all for rolling with TB. Thank y'all for tuning in. And thank y'all for all y'all support. Like, share, subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. Rolling game!